Alright, today I am going to be making money green guacamole. You're going to need an avocado and some lime, of course, some red pepper, some cayenne pepper, and cumin. Alright, let's play a little game. Let's find the cayenne pepper, okay? Find it. Go. Mix it up. Alright, where is the cayenne? You found it. Alright, let's try it again. Find the cayenne pepper. Alright, where is the cayenne pep? You're too good. You're too good. Let's move on. Alright, so what we're going to do now is cut up the avocado. We're going to take out the seed and cut up the avocado in squares, just like this. Alright, and then I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to spoon it out like ice cream. Lovely green ice cream. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Alright, so scoop out all of the ice cream, and then we're going to go to adding the spices. Put some spice in your life. Cayenne pepper, just like that. Just sprinkle a little bit in there like that. And then cumin, as well as red pepper, and wait a minute, we need one more ingredient. Mama, you got some garlic? Yes. Yeah, here's your garlic. We're going to add garlic to the mixturation right here. First, you're going to peel off the skin, and then we're going to shred it in the shredder, just like this. Absolute goodness. Garlic is wonderful. Yep. Then you're going to add a little bit of lime to it to keep it money green, and then mash it up with a fork, just like this. Doesn't that sound nice? And after you finish smashing it up, you're going to take a chip and make it look funny, and absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.